social media personality, Phoebe, has taken to X to deny the authenticity of a leaked sex video that has been circulating online. Phoebe was recently leaked to an explicit video circulating on social media, which shows a young lady in an adult scene with an unidentified man. Reacting to the allegations on her X page, the skit maker made it clear that she wasn't the lady in the video, while criticizing people spreading lies about her. The content creator says she does not understand why people would think she's the one in the video, just because the person in the footage had the same hairstyle as her. Expressing frustration, she revealed that she has faced the relentless trolling over the footage for the past year, despite repeatedly debunking the claims. In a heartfelt post, Phoebe vented her anger, saying, "I'm saying this with my full chest. I hate everybody at this point and I hope you are not in a position where you can't defend yourself. For the past 1 year, I've been trolled with this video. I've told you guys countless times that this isn't me. God will judge you all." She explained that the video was edited to look that way just to implicate her, stressing that she had to speak up to protect her reputation and the brand she represents. Phoebe also emphasized that she doesn't wear jewelry like the person in the video, accused Nigerians of enjoying bad news and calling them gossips, noting that their attempt to bring her down is not going to work. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.